This video is for Algebra 1, and we're still talking about quadratics. The worksheet for this will be Name That Number. But first of all, let's just kind of remember a few things we learned about quadratics so far. First of all, if you have the point where it changes directions, where it quits going up and it starts going down, you call that the vertex. If it's at the top, it's a maximum, and if it's at the bottom, it's a minimum. You have 2 points where it crosses the x-axis. That is called your solution. This is also a solution. A solution can also be called a zero. It can also be called a root. It is your x-intercept. So to find the vertex with the calculator, you type your equation into y equal. Make sure everything is on the same side of the equation, of the equal sign, before you do that. So like for this one down here at the bottom of the page, we would clear our y equal and we would say x squared minus 5x plus 6. Take a glance at your graph. Remember, you want to start out at zoom 6. And we notice that it's got a low point, which is a minimum. So you're going to go second calc number 3 for minimum. You need to be the left side, press enter, and then you got to go to the right. Get past the vertex, enter, enter, and 2.5 comma negative 0.25 would be your vertex. 2.5 comma negative 0.25. A vertex is written as a point because it is the point where it changes directions. To find the solution, we talked about doing second calc number 2 for 0, but then we also decided that second calc number 5 for intersect was probably easier. When you have something like this, you've got to have something for y1. So at this side, you would put a 0. Okay, so you would go to your calculator and you would go to y equal, and it doesn't matter which one is at y1 and which is at y2. So I'm just going to leave this x squared minus 5x plus 6 at y1. I'm going to go to y2 and put a 0. Second calc number 5. Let it draw. Enter, enter, enter. I'm on the left side. I did that too fast. Let me try that one more time. Enter, enter, enter. And x equal 2 is a solution. X equal 2. That's how you write your solutions. Do the same thing again, second calc 5, but come over to the right side and then go enter, enter, enter. And x equal 3 is the other solution. So your solutions are written x equal the number. If you had gotten x equal 2 again, it would just mean you didn't move the right direction or you didn't move far enough, so to try it again. So looking at your worksheet that says name that number, what you're going to do is use your calculator, okay? Everything before the equal sign is going to go to y1, and everything after the equal sign is going to go to y2. So it doesn't matter which problem you do, it works that way. Let's look at number 27 on your paper. And we're going to go to y equal and clear everything out. And everything before the equal sign goes at y1. So 3x squared plus 5x minus 20 is going to go at y1. y2 is everything after the equal sign. So for this one, it would be your 10 minus x. And so we're going to say 10 minus x. Once you get it typed in, you're going to go second calc number 5 for intersect. Give it a minute to draw. Enter, enter, enter. And see, it's telling me this solution here on the right is 2.31. So 2.31 is the solution. We have to find the other solution as well. Second calc 5, but we've got to go way off to the right, way over here. Keep going, okay? And we're way over to the left, so now we're going to go enter, 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 and negative 4.3. Negative 4.3 would be the other solution. So you come down here to the bottom of the page, and we're looking for negative 4.3 and positive 2.3. So you're going to look through all of these answers, negative 4.3 and a positive 2.3. And it just takes a minute. You just got to look at every one of them. Negative 4.3 and a positive 2.3. I'm not seeing it so far. So if you don't find it, what does that mean? It means you probably need to go back and check your work. Okay? So let's go back to y equal and make sure we got the right thing in. 3x squared plus 5x minus 20 is equal to 10 minus x. So it looks to me like we do have it incorrect. And it's still negative 4.3. And if you will look all the way down into the bottom right corner of your choices, negative 4.3 and positive 2.3 are there. So you mark that box out, because your instructions up here tell you shade the block that contains the answer. Once you have shaded them all out, you ought to be able to find the answer to your riddle, which is what is the name given to 10 to the 100th power. So you're just going to put everything before the equal sign at y1, everything after the equal sign at y2. Second calc 5. I don't know if I fixed that on your handout or not. Up here it says second calc 2 for 0. We've changed. We found a better way, so we're going to go second calc 5 for intersect. Enter, enter, enter. You have to do this 2 times so that you can find both of your answers. If you have questions, call me over.